Hi, my name is Deanna, and I'm here in the Northern California area, and I just wanted to give my positive review on Wealthy Hair. I was in the process already of building an online store, and I got my logo already. I was doing so much research, watching YouTube videos, how to get started and everything. I felt like I was ready for this. And I hit a roadblock because I couldn't find a reliable source where I was going to be able to get my hair from. I had been scammed. I received some hair that looked like a mop. And I was just like, seriously? I can't use this. I'm not going to put my name on something if I can't be proud to wear it myself. And I was laying up in the bed one night and I was scrolling through Instagram, and Julia popped up with her webinar, her Wealthy Hair. And I was like, let me see what she's talking about. It was about to start in 2 minutes. I said, perfect, let me watch it. So I watched it and I was inspired. I was motivated, like, okay, this might be my ticket. So I went ahead and I bought the business package, and I say less than a week later, I got an email saying that my website was ready. I was like, what? I'm not even ready. I wasn't ready. And shortly after that, I received the samples. I immediately washed the hair. I put product in the hair. I flat ironed it. I let the kids play with the hair. They was braiding it and doing whatever. And then when I washed it again, curls snapped right back. I was like, okay, this is some good hair. This might be it. And, I look forward to working with Wealthy Hair even more. I haven't really dove in there and got started yet. I've been trying to work out things on my website and whatnot, but I think it's going to be a good fit, because Wealthy Hair, they was on point. Like I said, my website was ready. The hair is good. I didn't notice any shedding. It went right back to its original form when I received it. So, all I can say, if you're ready, you're thinking about this entrepreneur type of thing, I say go for it. Get ready though, because Wealthy Hair is ready for you. So you better get ready. All right. Welcome to the family.